Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Valentine's Day look. This is something that I was so excited to do just because I love the color pink. The color pink is literally my favorite color. My room is pink. Everything I own is pretty much pink. So I was so excited to do this look, and I'm so excited to continue to do more looks like this. I'm going to try to make this like a Valentine's Day series up until February 14th. So yeah, if y'all see any looks that you want me to recreate, tag me in them. I'll have my Instagram link down below. Leave comments of what you want to see, anything, yeah, because I'm excited to play around with some pinks and reds, and yeah, so. And I have officially decided my upload days are going to be Wednesdays and Sundays. I know I haven't been the best at it, but I am going to get better. I promise. I'm determined. So yeah, Wednesdays and Sundays are going to be my days. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video on how to get this look, and I hope it's easy. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with the MAC paint pot, whatever, ochre pot. You know that I always use that to prime my eyes. I'm actually gonna start using concealer soon. I don't know, whatever. Okay, so anyways, so I did a little tape or whatever just so I can get that angle. So now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Totally Cute palette. This is my first time touching it, and I've had it for over a year. But I'm going to be taking the I Love Too Faced shade, this pink, on my Morphe M441. And with this shade, I'm just going to be, hold on, let me get my mirror. With this shade, I'm just going to be kind of taking this in my crease and above. I'm going to blend it closer to my brow too. This is going to be like our transition shade. Okay, once I have my transition shade on, I'm still going to be using my Morphe M441, and now I'm going to be taking the Masquerade palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to be going in with the color Bori, this bright pink. Oh, this bright pink right here. So yeah, I'm going to be taking that. We want to build this color up, so make sure that you don't go in with too of a heavy hand right off the bat. I know this looks like super bright right now, but it's because I just did that eye, so it like already has the color on it. But yeah, make sure that you're dabbing out the excess product just so that you don't start heavy. Yeah, make sure to build it up. And we're going to be taking this in the crease. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking my Morphe M411 brush. It looks like that. And now I'm going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to mix Love Letter, Love Letter and the Venetarian Red together. And I'm just going to kind of add that underneath the crease just to kind of deepen the colors. Make it more bold and deep. We're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Tan Sand. Doesn't really matter for the eye, but for face, yeah. And then I'm going to be taking, I don't know where my freaking flat brush is, the one that I would typically use. So I'm just gonna be using this, was this the one I used? Yes, I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Naked 3 brush, that comes with it. I'm gonna be using that, basically just putting this on the edges or whatever. And we're going to cut this. Y'all say a prayer for me because I absolutely suck at these. I don't know how I did that other eye. Okay, we got it, guys. Okay, we're gonna hope that we can fix that with the silver shade that I'm about to go into. I'm going to be taking the other little naked brush and the silver shade that's actually in the Kylie palette. I'm gonna be taking that, just packing this onto this brush, and I'm going to apply that in the middle. Hope my mirror's not in y'all's face. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking my Morphe M441 again and just going back in with those pink shades just so that we can blend out the edges so they won't be so harsh. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX, the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. I absolutely love this stuff. Honestly, it's just great. I love it. Basically, this is what it looks like, the applicator. I'm just going to be taking some of this on my eyelid. I think I'm just going to do it like in the middle of the halo. I don't know if you can really see it on this side, but yeah, it's there. So I'm going to take some of this and apply that to the middle. And then now, just to make that a little bit more bold, sorry, I don't want to look down, I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter in silver, and I'm just going to pour some in the little cap. I remember I was so scared to touch this glitter back in the day. I literally had used it. My first time was using it was for free press. I remember I was terrified of this. Still low-key am. Alright, I'm just going to be taking it on a flat brush and picking up some glitter, not too much, just because I don't really need a lot. But yeah, I'm just going to pick up some and pat it where that glue is. Now I'm going to pop on the other falsie. I will be right back to do my face. I'm going to be priming my face with the Yves Saint Laurent primer. Now I'm just applying my foundation to my face, which is the Double Wear by Estee Lauder, by Estee Lauder Enriched Caramel. My skin is doing so bad right now. Well, at least it was. Over the past week and a half, it's been terrible. And I just want to say, I want to put this out there. It is because of the new NARS Radiant Foundation, whatever it is. I don't know. All I know is I tried it out. And one day I had ran out of my foundation, so I was super desperate, and I had a sample of it still, so I put it on my face. Girl, let me tell you, worst mistake of my life. And I knew it had broken me out the first time I tested it, but I was oh, maybe, it wasn't that, just being in denial and stupid. No, it was that. Literally, my face was so bad. I wish y'all would have seen it. I didn't even want to film or anything because it was just terrible. I didn't wear makeup for a week. I went and got a facial. It was tragic. So I'm officially sticking to this foundation. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape. And like I said earlier, I'm in the shade Tan Sand. Just gonna be taking a little bit of this, because this stuff is, woo. Now I'm going to set my face with my translucent powder. I'm just going to be contouring my face with the ABH Contour Kit, medium to tan. I'm going to be taking the darkest shade on my Real Techniques brush. Now underneath my eyes, I'm going to just go back in with those shades, those pink shades, and basically smoke out my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to just take my highlight now, and you already know what I'm taking, Tardius Bro, in the shade, oh, wrong thing, where's my brush? Oh, in the shade Fire. Okay, now for bottom lashes, I'm going to be taking Better Than Sex. Now for the outer corners, or inner corners, just kidding. I'm going to be popping in, let's see what color I want to do. I think I'm going to take Vermeer out of the Modern Renaissance palette and pop that into my inner corners. Okay, now I'm just gonna be taking my lip and applying Allison by ABH. And now I'm just gonna be setting that with the NYX Dewy Finish. All right, and this is the completed look. It's just this cute little, you know, silver and pink Valentine's Day look. I was super excited to film this because I love Valentine's Day, like I said earlier, and I love the color pink, so it's fun to like get to play with all the pinks and try out new looks. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make this like a Valentine's series, you know, so like hopefully on my upload days, which by the way, I never told y'all, are supposed to be Wednesdays and Sundays. I feel like I'm always good at Wednesdays, but Sundays not so much. So, but those are my new like set days. So, I promise I'm gonna stick to it. So yeah, Sundays, Wednesdays and Sundays are gonna be my set days, which are like most YouTubers' days. You know, I feel like that's a good day. Those are usually my days where I like find myself on YouTube, probably because that's when people upload. So yeah, those are gonna be my set schedule. I'm sorry I've been off track lately, but yeah, like I said, I'm really excited to start like this little like Valentine's Day series. So I hope y'all enjoyed this look. I hope it wasn't too hard. It was literally just, I was like, man, I'm winging it. I was like, I need to just do like a creative look or somewhat creative for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video.